So to answer a couple of questions about crochet, I always get questions about how do I take it down. So in the same way that I'm braiding the hair in, I'm gonna unbraid and take it down. If you want to add some oil to give yourself a little bit more slip, you know, you always want to do things the most healthy way possible so you're not damaging your hair for a style. But that's how I would go about it, is just to unbraid. You don't have to cut them out or anything like that, and you can reuse them. I reuse all of my crochet. Any set that I've ever filmed or showed you guys has been saved. It's been washed and reused and saved. Now there's some hair, like some brands and some textures that I like more than others and reuse more than others, but as far as that, yeah, I reuse every single set. I have never cut a set out. Now, the only time I've ever cut anything is if it gets knotted, I will cut it out. Another question is, how do you maintain it? I have a regimen at night that I do a moisturizer, so a water-based moisturizer to keep my hair hydrated. And then I add a really nice natural hydrating oil to seal in that moisture. So I'll normally put that on my braids or in my scalp, and that's every night. That way, once I take my hair out and I go get my trim like I do, then my stylist will say, oh my God, your hair's so healthy and so hydrated. And I'm like, yeah, because I've been doing my regimen. Either wrap it up in like a high bun and then just put like a bonnet on top, so that way it's not all over the place. I think it actually looks great like this. I thought there were going to be more gaps, but like I said, I really love how light and airy it is, so I don't want to overload with too much. But I think if I was going on a vacation, I will 100% probably put the full 3 packs, and I'll probably have an extra pack left. It's my personal preference, honestly, to not add mousse. I know most people would probably add mousse, but I feel like just the dry braid jam, I feel like makes my hair last so much longer than when I start adding mousse and all the extra stuff. So this is just water, and inside the water, it's just a little leave-in conditioner. Nothing crazy. It's like a diluted, very diluted conditioner water. It's so pretty, I'm gagged. And it's long, it goes all the way down. So pretty, look at the color. How pretty is this color? This is such a summer vacation. Ah! And then I'll show you what it looks like up. So you could put it up, you could do some little pieces. Oh, let me some pieces. And then right on up. And then you could leave some of the pieces just to kind of, you know, how cute. I love it. This is like the perfect summer hairstyle. Let me show y'all the back. I'm like gagged. So yeah, I will link everything in the comments. Let me know what you think. I love you guys. Until next time.